Hi, in this video we're going to learn all about how to do an automatic tonal separation. Automatic tonal is an ideal method to use on designs which are tonal but have no overprinting colours. So here I have a damask design. The pink and the blue and the white don't overlap, so it's perfect for automatic tonal. To begin, use the shortcut on your keyboard, Command, Alt and Shift, to pipette the most saturated colours from design and create an 8-bit layer of each colour. So here I'm going to pick a saturated pink colour and a blue. And don't forget the white in the background. Now split the view using the small plus button at the bottom left of the screen here. In one window we're going to make visible only the layers. In the other window make only the image visible and the layers active but invisible. Activate this window, you'll see it's active by the blue dot in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Go to Separate and down to Automatic Tonal. And that'll open this window, Auto Tonal. In the cog menu at the bottom of the window, untick Automatically Set Tonal Values. Then we want to use the pipette tool to pick up a range of light, mid and dark tones for each colour, working in the order in which they appear at the top of this Auto Tonal window. So we'll start with pink, then blue and onto the white background layer. So I want to go in, it doesn't matter how many you select as long as you get a good range and you get the darkest and the lightest in there. Pick from around your design. Then I'm going to move on to the blue layer. And finally onto the white background layer. It's good to choose some colours from the different areas of the design. If you add in some colours you didn't mean to pick, you can highlight them, click on the cog and select Remove Selected Rows. Once all tones are pipetted for all layers, highlight each layer column in turn. So I'm going to start by highlighting all the pinks and press the 100% button at the bottom of the window. And we'll go to the blues and the whites. Next, click Separate at the bottom of the window. In the right hand screen, you'll see the flat mask will appear in the window showing only the layers. This is separated fairly cleanly, but you can also use the despeckle filter to clean up some of the pixels and smooth it out a bit. I can also use the mover tool to move any pixels that have separated onto the wrong layer. If I had some pink pixels that are separated onto the blue layer, I can move them by selecting the blue. I can use the fill tools to draw around those pixels and move them onto that layer. I need to undo that. Finally, after you've completed the automatic tonal separation and you've cleaned up your mask layers, you can use the retone function to introduce tone to your flat masks. So click on the view which has the image visible and the not active and the layers active but not visible, and choose Separate, Retone. And in the right hand window you'll see I have the individual separated layers. After you've done the retone process, you can improve your separation by adjusting the colours of the final layers. Using my multi-view picker I can pick new colours for the separated layers. And there we have how to do an automatic tonal separation.